Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'll compare two CRM platforms. First one is Monday.com and the second one is Airtable. We will go through some pros and cons. I will tell you more about these programs. I'll show you pricing plans, and also at the end we'll try to find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. So straight away, kick it off with Monday.com. With Monday.com, managers can better keep their team aligned from one collaborative workspace. This flexible platform allows you to truly centralize your data, leveraging native integrations, third-party apps, and helpful widgets. With an overview of all ongoing processes, you can quickly gauge the status of essential tasks and follow up with a relevant team member efficiently. Essentially, on Monday.com, executives have the flexibility to build the perfect tools for their team using intuitive drag and drop technology. Simply select one of over 200 templates and customize it using the 20 editable columns to support any of your workflows. Then, if your team grows, your workflow can easily scale with you, empowering your team to new heights with complete visibility. If we check the products or the product overview, we'll see the peek into Monday.com. In this picture, you can see, for example, you can set it into columns, for example, this month or next month. You can start with the tasks and also give each task your employee that is like reviewing or is responsible for the task. Then the status, if they are working on the task, they are done with it, or they have a problem. Also, you can add timelines, due dates, priorities. You can upload documents free to download from Monday, for example, and so on and so on. You can really get the job done for the buck that you are paying for it. The best thing about the Monday is that you have option with individual free forever plan. So if you need only 2 seats, it's free forever. It goes up with the number of seats that you're going to need. Obviously, for basic, where is 3 and more, it's 8 euros per seat, standard 10 euros per seat, and pro 16 euros per seat. Obviously, the price is higher with the features you get. I wouldn't go lower than standard. Then enterprise option is really good if you're a bigger company and you need more than I believe it's 30 or more than 100 seats, or even more than 50. If you need more than 50 seats, you will have to go to enterprise option. On the other hand, let's talk about Airtable. Airtable is a futuristic platform that can be used to generate collaborative apps. Over 100,000 teams connected to leading business houses across the globe trust in the particular to get their work done. Organizations can integrate the platform with their pre-existing tools like Dropbox, Eventbrite, Box, Basecamp, Facebook, GitHub, etc., and move informations back and forth in automated way. Another interesting feature of this platform is that users can access to 50 and more pre-built apps that are ready to feed data and become accessible to their clients in the marketplace. Users can generate custom notifications, automate redundant tasks, and orchestrate work in a seamless manner. An inbuilt feature like Airtable Sync enables teams to share information across departments in real time. Information stored with the software is secured by ISO IEC 27001 certification, SOC2 compliance, GDPR, and the top graded Amazon Web Service hosting infrastructure. If we go and check the pricing, then we will go through some differences between those two. They are also providing free option for individuals or teams just getting started with Airtable. Then there's Option Plus, Option Pro, and Enterprise, which is for the biggest of the companies. Airtables focuses more data gathering, whereas Monday.com is better geared towards tracking the completion of the task. Airtable supports limited team interactions. Monday.com has well-developed project-oriented chat system. Airtable provides fewer features for handling projects, whereas Monday.com provides more features. Airtable's payment plans are aimed towards individual users. Monday.com are better designed for groups because of the number of your employees and stuff like that. Airtable only provides email support with their cheaper programs, whereas Monday.com offers 24/7 support with each of their packages. Airtable integrates with lots of different tools and apps, and Monday has fewer integration options. And Airtable offers 3D model option, whereas Monday.com only provides a board view. So it's really hard to tell between those two which one is better, but I would always go with Monday.com. It's my go-to app. Same goes with, for example, ClickUp and Monday are the most liked, at least in my opinion, from my point of view. So I would go with Monday, to be honest. It's cheaper and it's made for groups, and I really like the feel, transparency, and the graphic design and the boards in Monday.com. I will leave the links in the description underneath this video, since we made through and through videos of each and every program in our YouTube channel. So I will leave the links in the description. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.